Alright, I've been busy today. I stripped this sucker down. I left all the suspension on. We can move it around. And I didn't take the brake lines all the way out. I don't know, I may take some more of that out. Hood pins, I'm going to leave them on so I can click the hood on when I haul it. And too worried about saving them, I'll probably buy new ones. Or we can pop them off before we paint it. Either way. Get the glass out. Not bad. Not too terrible. Empty all the dash out, let the steering wheel in. Pulled the air conditioning out. Took all the glass out, took all the doors out. What was left of the headliner, took it out. Rear window, took it out. Looks pretty good. Not sure what's going on there, but I don't see any rust left over. I haven't got it all the way to bare metal, but surface stuff here. Put a wire wheel on it, and it looks pretty solid still. So the trunk. I'm gonna use a screwdriver now. Take the keyhole out. Gaps ain't even close to adjusted. Work on that, I guess, later. But not terrible, I guess. Could be lots worse. All right. There's parts that took off. There's all the glass, the dash. A couple of big shelves full of junk. Trash can full. All the old seals and wiring harness. It's gonna get thrown away. I just don't want to throw it away right away in case I need a sample on a seal or a wiring harness or something. All of these are going to go with it to paint. They either need to be painted black or orange, depending on where it is, where it's going, kind of thing. So those will be in the trunk. If you're going to work on an orange Mopar, you might as well watch Dukes of Hazzard while you're doing it. Alright, starting in the back, switch the fuel tank off. some leaves in between the panel there. I don't know how that got there, but a little bit on that inner panel. Still got some rust there. This one's got a lot on the inner side. But that's pretty solid. This thing's always broke, and it's not, so that's kind of cool. Back to the floor pans. Kind of pieces here and there the way they patched them. Did find some rust here in this piece of frame rail here up front. Don't look like a lot. Should be an easy cut out and weld up fix. These are unibody cars, so the frame is just a little short piece. Push comes to shove, they do sell this entire frame, but I think we can cut that out and just patch in a piece. No idea what that is up there in the fender. There's one on that side too. I guess it has something to do with the little vent that goes inside.
Seems to be getting better at this. What's going to be the better at this? The general's losing all his steam. Sheriff Rush, go drink. You got your pump.